What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So guys, I am here at home bored and I said I'm just going to do a story time video today. Yeah, I've got this idea on my mind for a while, so I say why not do it today. I'm going to do a story time on how I got pregnant at 16 years old. Yep, so I will have to get back into my memory to remember some of that because it was a good while ago. I am now 30 and it happened when I was 16, so that's a good while. So please remember, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give me a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, okay? Yep, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, where should I begin? I'm gonna start off at when I was at school before I started having sex. Yep. So, alright. School now. I always love school. Even when me not have no lunch money, me gonna school same way. Yeah, I love school. I always say me want to do good in school, get my subjects, start working, having a child, like maybe 25 years old, but didn't go as planned at all. So I had a boyfriend when I was going to school. He wasn't going to school. He wasn't in school. He was older than me. Yeah, so girl fall in love. Most people say at that age it's infatuation, but I don't think so. I don't think I was infatuated. I was in deep, deep love. Yep. So we were going on, sometime we meet up and we kissing and we making out and all of that. And at that point, I wasn't ready to have sex. I was going to school. I didn't want to start having sex as yet, so I told him I'm not ready to have sex. He said, okay, no problem, I will wait until you are ready. He didn't have a problem on waiting until I was ready. So I set at an age limit where I would be ready. And he said, fine, I don't have a problem, I will wait on you. Yeah, so we were there, we make out sometimes, and yeah, and he was waiting on me until I was ready. Alright, so me there at school now, a lot of friends, different friends there. We chat every day. We had conversations about sex. And then the other girls would not tell me, my God, all the sex they started already. And they would not talk and I say how the sex nice and how this and that go and all of that. So you know, say the peer pressure start upon me, you know. Peer pressure is real. I can talk about that because peer pressure is what led me into starting having sex before the right time. Yeah. So even though he said he was waiting on me, being in school in all that peer pressure and all those girls talking how good sex is and all of that led me into thinking, I don't want to wait that long anymore. I want to go ahead and try and see what it is like, how good it really is. So I told him I changed that time and I gave him an earlier date. Yeah. I did. Yep. I remember the exact day. No, I don't remember the exact day it happened, but I remember what happened. I remember how it was on that day, yeah. So I went ahead and we went ahead and we did it. My God. It wasn't much of something that I would say, yes, that's so good, it's great and all of that. No. Not at all. No, guys, it wasn't. It was painful. Wasn't so great at all. Alright, so from there I continue. I'll do it a couple more time and yeah, I go on. And it reached to a point where I didn't see my period. I didn't have a period and I started like, oh my God. Remember, I was in school. I was in 5th form at that time. I already paid for my CXC subjects and I was determined to go ahead and do my subject, but so I was there and I realized that something went wrong. So guys, me still go to school anyway. I fret out hell, I worry. I remember I told a couple people, I'm not going to say their names, like friends that I was going to school with. One was like a very close friend and I remember telling her, please pray for me, like I did not know what to do. So it was like October, so I continued going to school until school gave break in December. Yeah, and December run out. I'm supposed to go back to school January. My mother asked to say, "Now go back to school." I didn't tell her anything, but my mother always watched my period, you know. So if I missed it, I know that she would know that I missed my period. So I had an idea that she knew what was going on. I don't quite remember what I told her. I think I said, no, I'm not going back to school. Yeah. So we go now. So I remember at a point she was crying because she was disappointed, parents at that age, their daughter being pregnant, they're going to be disappointed. They're going to feel hurt and all of that. So that happened. And I didn't go back to school January. I was home. I was trying to study, still trying to study for my CXC exam because I could still go and do my exam. But my head mash up, people. I couldn't focus anymore. I couldn't study anymore. So I just couldn't study anymore. My head, I could not focus at that point. So, alright. Me never want a baby at that age, people. So, at that point, I was confused. I didn't know what to do. And I was considering getting an abortion. Because girl, I go do her CXC. Girl, I go leave school. Girl, I go make something more life. Girl, never ready to have baby. So, yes, I was considering getting an abortion, and I told him that I want to get an abortion. I don't want to have a baby right now. At that point, he said he didn't have money to give me to do that and all of that. And story I get nice, guys. Story I get nice, man. I guess he went to somebody and they told him that something could work, mixed up, boil up dragon and araginis or something of the sort, and put something in the air and give me to drink. He did it and he gave it to me to drink, and I was determined because I wasn't ready for that. So I wanted to do something to just get rid of it and all of that. So I drink it. But guys, I don't like anything that is bitter. So everything came back up. After drinking it, I vomit up everything. So I guess that did not work out. Going on in couple 3 months. So no money to go and get an abortion. Oh God. So I have to just continue. I have to just go ahead with my pregnancy. Yeah. People start realizing what's going on. And people, you see that part here? It's not really a part of how I got pregnant at 16, but he went ahead and meanwhile I was pregnant, meanwhile I stopped going to school because of all that. He had another girl. I was suspicious about it, but the girl wasn't from the community. We both lived in the same community, but the girl wasn't from the community, so she came here to visit her sister that was with my cousin at that time. So each time the girl come here, me go on my bed and me have a dream about her. Me say something wrong, man, because my boyfriend was staying at that same house. He was staying with my cousin and his girlfriend. So that girl was coming there, and it seemed like they started to get together or something. And I don't know. Thank you. And I don't know what happened, but I got a dream each time she came to visit. And I was suspicious, yeah? People knew what was going on. They weren't really telling me what was going on and all of that until I found out what was going on. And my God, my world turned even worse, upside down. My God, it was awful. Being pregnant at 16, dropping out of school, finding out that the guy is having an affair with another girl, and then the girl says she pregnant too. Oh Jesus. Yes, so the girl get pregnant when I was a couple months pregnant as well. So at that point, I left him and I told him like, can't work. You know, all of that other girl pregnant, I am pregnant. Oh my God, I don't even know how to talk about it right now. But I was devastated. So I had to go ahead with my pregnancy. I prayed a lot. Yeah, I'm a praying person. I can say that I prayed a lot, and I went through, and I had my little girl. She is now 13. My little daughter. Yeah. So that happened. I broke up with him at that point. Remember, I said I was in love. I broke up with him, but I missed him so much. So I was already pregnant. I missed him during the pregnancy. I didn't have him around because that went on and all of that. After having the child, I think I started talking to him again. Yeah, because you just have a child and you want the father around, even though I was young. So I started talking to him again until my daughter was about 2 years old. I still decided that it wasn't gonna work out. So there I left him again. Yeah, moved on with my life, and that was that. Life turned out to be a struggle. I had a skill from I was in school I could do hair, and I knew that I had that skill. So after having my baby, my mother kept her and I went back to do cosmetology, and I got a certificate, heart certificate in cosmetology. When my baby was about 1 year old, when she was 3 months, I started school. Yeah, and then I got a job. I started working, started getting a little money, and yeah, life was stressful, very stressful at some point. So my advice to young girls and teenagers right now from my experience: peer pressure is real. You all got to be strong when going to school, being around certain friends. You will hear things and you will want to try things, but please think about what you are doing. Think about the future. Be responsible as possible as you all can, because having a child at a tender age, it is not nice. Can you imagine how shameful I was having that belly in front of me? At that age, my classmates maybe see me sometimes on the road. I had to go to a clinic near to my school. I was so ashamed when my teachers might see me. I had the opportunity to go and do my CXC subjects, but because of embarrassment, out of shame, I did not go and do it. Trust me, I just could not manage. But I kept strong and I kept on going. I am not so bad in life right now. I'm 30. I'm still not where I want to be, but the Lord is keeping me. I'm going, and I will reach there someday. Yeah. So teenagers that are watching this video, please keep your head on your bodies. Please think. Don't let, because you say, my God, I'm in love with this guy, you go ahead and do what you know that you're not supposed to do. Anyone that maybe is pregnant at this moment as a teenager, please be strong. Pray. You will make it. Okay? It's not the end of the world. It is still not the end of the world. You will find your way out. But those who are not in the situation, please try your best. Don't get yourself in the situation. Okay? It's not a nice situation, guys. Not a good feeling. But I am proud of, I wouldn't say I'm proud of what happened, but I went through, and now I am here. My daughter is grown. What can I say? Thank you, Lord, for taking me through, you know. So that is the story on how I got pregnant at 16 years old. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit your subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give me a thumbs up, and leave all your comments down below. Okay? Peace out.